Bro, what are you doing?
What, bro? I'm just using my hiccup straw.
What does that thing even do?
It's basically got a small hole in the bottom, which creates enough pressure in your diaphragm to actually stop the hiccups from happening instantly. I mean, even Mark Cuban said that everyone's gonna have these in their medicine cabinets. So I mean, I just thought I'd grab one.
Huh, that's
It
actually
worked
pretty
amazing.
crazy. Where can I get one of them?
There should be one linked by that orange shopping cart, and I mean, I will say there is a flash sale going on right now. So before the flash sale ends, you should definitely go check it out if you want to grab some.